vector triple product. Vector triple product of the three vectors A vector, B vector, C vector is defined as the cross product of A with the cross product of a vector B and C. That means A cross B cross C, A after cross B cross C. That means A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. It means this dot into B, then minus this dot into B. Here A cross B cross C is a coplanar with vectors B and C and perpendicular to A. A coplanar है B and C के साथ and perpendicular है A के साथ. Hence we can write A cross B cross C as a linear combination of vectors. Linear combinations of vectors B and C. That means A cross B cross C is equal to XB vector plus YC vector. Formula: A cross B cross C vector is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus B dot C into A. Thus, A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. Vector triple product proof. The formula how to come. ये कैसे आई, क्यों आई, कहाँ से आई, इसको प्रूव करना चाहिए. Here, combination of vectors A and B. So A cross B cross C is equal to XA vector plus YB vector. That is C dot A cross B. Both sides if you taking C and taking dot product with C, then it comes. Here C dot A cross B cross C is equal to C dot XA plus YB vector. That means X C dot A vector plus Y C dot B vector means Y and X are constant common, taking common. This is not a vector scalar, so that's why vector okay inside. C dot A cross B cross C, that value equal to 0. Why this value equal to 0? That means double C is there. Now X into A dot C vector plus Y into B dot C vector. After that, this comes to this side, then solving X by B dot C. That means you can say X A dot C vector is equal to minus Y B dot C vector. So now divided X, that means X by B dot C is equal to minus Y by A dot C. Let's say that is equal to lambda. Substitute the value of X and Y. Thus A cross B cross C is equal to X A vector plus Y B vector. We get A cross B cross C is equal to lambda into, you put here X का वैल्यू इधर पुट किया, क्योंकि ना इधर हमको X इज इक्वल टू लैम्बडा B डॉट C मिलेगा एंड Y इज इक्वल टू लैम्बडा A डॉट C मिलेगा. दैट्स व्हाई द वैल्यू पुट इट हियर, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस lambda A dot C. So lambda taking okay inside, that is lambda B dot C into A, lambda A dot C into B. It is valid for every value of lambda. Lambda का प्रत्येक वैल्यू में U प्रूव होता है. Every value of A vector, B vector, C vector, because it is an identity. It is an identity, so that's why it is valid. Now A vector is equal to, put A vector to I cap, B vector to J cap, C vector to J, okay, also J cap. So I cross J cap cross I cap is equal to lambda J dot I cap minus lambda I cap dot I cap into J cap. That means after solving, that J cap is equal to minus lambda J cap. So J cap J cut, that is equal to A is equal to minus 1. Hence, you put the minus 1 lambda value. After putting, the value comes what? You take it. That is A dot C into B minus B dot C into A. That is the value. Hence proved. A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus B dot C into A. Hence proved. Now properties of vector product. Vector triple product is a vector quantity. Now unit vector coplanar with A vector and B vector and perpendicular to C vector. That is plus or minus A cross B cross C vector by A cross B cross C का magnitude. This is unit vector. But vector triple product always gives vector quantity. A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. Now A cross B, B cross C, C cross A का triple product is equal to A B C triple product का whole square. Now A dot A, A dot A, A dot A, B dot A, B dot A, B dot A, C dot A, C dot A, C dot A का डिटरमिनेंट के साथ सेम है. If A, B, C are non-coplanar vector, then A cross B, B cross C and C cross A also non-coplanar. Here A cross B vector dot C cross D vector is equal to A dot C vector into B dot D vector minus A dot D vector into B dot C vector, which is equal to A dot C into A dot D, A dot C, A dot D, B dot C, B dot D का whole determinant is called scalar product of a four vector. A dot C, A dot D, B dot C, B dot D is called scalar product of a four vector. A cross B cross C cross D is equal to ABD triple product into C minus ABC triple product into D. That is equal to ACD into triple product into B minus BCD triple product into A vector is called vector product of four vectors. ये vector product है, ये scalar product. ये vector product, ये scalar product. Vector product फोर वेक्टर का स्केलर प्रोडक्ट होने से ये वैल्यू आएगा, फोर वेक्टर का वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट होने से वही वैल्यू आएगा. If A cross B dot C cross D equal to 0, then planes containing A and B and C and D are perpendicular. ये perpendicular हो जाएगा. If A cross B cross C cross D is equal to 0 vector, that implies planes containing A and B and C and D are parallel. Now, A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. This is a vector triple product. According to this rule, we can prove many questions in next video. Please subscribe the channel and likes the channel and share the channel, and you get more update video.